Welcome, kids. When bananas start sailing and monkeys wear captain hats, you know something hilarious is about to happen. Welcome to Tiny Toon Tale. Stay tuned, because today's story will blow you away. And don't forget, hit subscribe so you never miss an adventure. Once upon a time, in a town called Wobble, nothing was ever normal. The cats wore sunglasses, the mailman delivered letters by pogo stick, and the monkeys, oh boy, they had their own banana boat. Not just any boat. A giant, golden, squeaky banana boat that floated on jelly waves. Captain Chico, the silliest monkey, shouted, "Banana crew, raise the peel sails." His crew of monkeys swung ropes. Meanwhile, two kids Milo and Lilo were fishing marshmallows nearby. Suddenly, the banana boat zoomed past them, leaving trails of banana peels. Splat! Milo slipped right into the jelly water. Lila laughed so hard, she fell in too quick. Banana thieves are chasing us. From behind came the Pickle pirates. Their boat was made of a giant sour pickle, dripping green juice everywhere. Hand over the bananas. The chase began. Banana boat versus pickle boat. Waves splashed, jelly bubbled, and the sky rumbled with popcorn clouds. Milo and Lila climbed onto the banana boat, slipping and sliding. What's going on? The Pickle pirates want my secret banana stash. Why? Because if they eat them, they'll laugh forever. Eternal giggles. That's awesome. The banana boat zipped through a rainbow tunnel, but the Pickle boat followed, honking like a squeaky toy. Quick! We need banana power. The monkeys started juggling bananas like circus clowns. Fire banana cannon. She launched it splat right into Captain Sourface's hat. Grr, you'll regret this. But Milo had a silly idea. Let's tickle the sea. What? Milo took a giant feather, dipped it in jelly water, and tickled the ocean. Suddenly, the waves burst into giggles. The whole sea shook like a laughing belly. The Pickle boat wobbled left, right, splooshed down. It went into the jelly. The Pickle pirates floated in green bubbles, grumpy but harmless. We'll be back. Sure, Chico giggled. Bring napkins next time. The banana boat crew cheered. Milo and Lila high-fived. That was the funniest adventure ever. And stickiest. Suddenly, the banana boat started shaking. Oh no! What now? Boom! The banana boat popped like a balloon. Everyone landed on a jelly trampoline, bowing, bowing, bowing. They bounced so high, they reached the popcorn clouds. The clouds popped, showering the sea with buttery rain. The monkeys cheered, catching popcorn in their mouths. Milo stuffed his pockets. Lila twirled in the popcorn rain, laughing. Best snack ever. Banana boat crew always delivers fun. But what about your bananas? Chico winked. Don't worry, kid. I always keep a backup stash. He pulled a banana out of his hat. A magic hat banana. The one banana that never runs out? Whoa! They all laughed, bouncing on the jelly sea. And so, the banana boat adventure became the silliest legend of Wibble Town. And kids, remember, if you ever see bananas floating on jelly waves, don't be scared. It's just Captain Chico and his crew, chasing giggles, not trouble.